Let's see what we get this time. What does that word say?
Happy.
Happy. I wonder if you could pass me that curly hair.
This one?
Right. Okay, that's going to be my hair.
Okay. I like your glasses. Do you like me?
Oh, yes.
It's a cute hairstyle.
I think my person's going to a party. They both look very happy.
Does she look fancy?
She looks very fancy. Your turn to turn the card over. I wonder what we're going to get this time.
Silly.
Yay! Okay, Sally.
And after these, I'm gonna do all the stuff.
Okay.
Can you find clown eyes for me?
Clown eyes. Clown eyes would be very big eyes. So those eyes or those eyes, or even those eyes. So they would be big, big eyes.
Maybe these eyes. Ooh, no. These ones. I'm doing medium. Right. A clown nose. It's feathers. So many feathers. Orange.
Oh, you've got crazy hair going on there as well.
Yellow.
I'm going to do crazy hair too.
Yellow. Red, orange, yellow. Pink. Green. Purple. These. Purple. This.
Oh, I do like yours.
Like my hair?
Yes, now we just need the perfect mouth. Awesome!
My
Look at
clown!
that. Look at our silly people.
You like my clown?
I do.
I do rainbow hair.
Yes. My person is pulling a funny face. Okay, my turn to turn the card over. And what does it say this time?
Sad?
Oh, sad face. Let me see if I can start with my mouth. Which mouth do you want?
This one.
Okay.
He's even crying.
Oh dear, that's so sad.
Oh, this one, that's right. He has pink hair.
Okay. See, these blue dots are the tears.
Are you going to put on a girl hair? It's a cute bun. This looks like he has cry in it. Looks very, very sad.
Would you like my blue tears?
Yes,
Okay, I'll give them to you.
there's only one blue tear left.
Okay, I can do something different. I can just have colourful tears.
Yeah, how colorful tears. Look at my boy. Does he look cute?
He does. Okay, you ready? Ready to see?
Yes.
Oh,
Surprise!
surprised. So my surprised face is going to have big eyes because your eyes grow bigger when you're surprised. And sometimes your eyebrows go higher than your eyes.
Like this. These are the size I need. He's gonna say, "Wow." I'm not gonna have any eyebrows. You're using pet cleaner for a mouth?
Yes, are you?
Me?
Oh,
Yeah.
great minds think alike. We had the same idea.
I'm doing a girl. What are you doing?
Okay, can you pass me some boy hair, please?
Which one you want?
I don't mind.
Okay, I think this one will go well.
I think that will go well, very, very well. There we go.
This hair.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now you just need a nose. What are you going to use for your nose?
Done.
Done.
Surprise!
Surprise!
Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up. For more fun ideas, visit the Easy Play Ideas website. Thanks for watching.